Say goodbye to chapped lips with this soothing, all-natural DIY lavender honey lip scrub. Perfect for pampering your lips and adding a touch of homemade luxury self-care routine. Hey, it's Diane from Vermont Lavender. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I want to show you how I make a lavender and honey lip scrub. This gentle scrub is perfect for your lips to help make them smooth, soft, and hydrated. But before we get into mixing this together, I want to talk about some of the ingredients I'll be using. So the sugar that I'm going to be using is a lavender sugar that I made previously in another video. And that helps to gently exfoliate the dead skin cells on your lips. Next, I'll be using honey, and this is a honey powder, and I'll leave all the links for the products in the description below if you want to make this lip scrub at home. Next is the cocoa butter, and I'm going to be using the chocolate cocoa butter. It has a natural chocolate scent, so lavender chocolate is really nice. I think it'd be great on the lips. And you can use the deodorized one, so it doesn't have any scent at all. Well, I'll be using that, and that adds a nice protective layer to your lips. It's rich in fatty acids, and it helps to prevent dryness. And then I'm going to be using jojoba oil, and jojoba oil it's almost like a wax. It's not really an oil, but it's very closely related to the oil that's on our skin. So this helps to prevent dryness and also makes it less greasy. Last item I'll be using is the lavender essential oil, and that is very soothing and very calming. So let's get to making this beautiful lavender honey lip scrub. Here's what you need to make your lavender honey lip scrub. A spatula, a couple spoons, I have 2 of them, and then I have a little scoop, and I'll leave the link for these below. A 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon, glass measuring cups, and then I have a little measuring cup here with another little spatula. So you need 6 ounces of sugar. You need 1 ounce of mid-chain triglycerides liquid, and that's right here, and I get this from Brambleberry. It's just a clear liquid, and you can get this from any soap supplying company. And then this is the jojoba oil, and this is my lavender sugar. So I just want to show you that. And I do have a video on that if you are interested in making lavender sugar. Cocoa butter, and this is the one that's a natural cocoa butter. It's not deodorized or anything, so it's a nice natural cocoa chocolate scent. And then I have my honey powder right here. Then I have my lavender essential oil there, and then I have my vitamin E right here. And lastly, I'm going to use some lavender mica, and this is lip safe. So you want to make sure any of the micas, if you do use them, make sure they're lip safe and skin safe. And so I'm just using a little bit. This isn't necessary, but it's something I want to add to this lip scrub because it is a lavender one. And I also will have other recipes down below if you want to check that out. I'll leave that in my blog article. So the recipe is 6 ounces of lavender sugar. And you don't have to have lavender sugar. You can use rose sugar, chamomile sugar. And I'll have a couple more videos on that in the future on how to make these sugars, but you can use plain sugar. So this is white cane sugar. And then I have 1 ounce of MCT oil, which is the mid-chain triglycerides liquid. I have 0.7 of jojoba oil, and it's golden. And then I have 0.5 ounces of my natural cocoa butter. The honey powder is a 1/4 teaspoon of honey powder. And then I have 0.25 of my lavender, and it's 4042 essential oil, and that's what I'm using in here. And then 1 milliliter of vitamin E natural T50. So what you do first, and I always do this because cocoa butter takes a longer time to actually incorporate and melt. And then what I'm going to do is just add it to my jojoba oil and my MCT oil. So I'm going to do that next. Just add it right in there. I really like the spatula because I can get all of it right in here. It's almost like a little squeegee. And just stir this up so you want everything nice and blended. So I'm going to add my honey powder and my vitamin E, and I'm going to add that right here. And the honey powder might add a little bit of exfoliating properties too, which is okay. So I just want to stir that all together and get that nice and blended. And then I'm going to add a little bit of my mica, which is the lavender mica. And you can wear a mask if you want when you're working with micas. Let me just get a little plate here. And I'm just adding very little at a time because I just want to see what it looks like. Is it dark enough? That's a nice little shimmer. Go add a few of these. Okay, this is perfect. So look at that. Okay, so this is a very simple recipe. I have an even simpler one. It's only 3 ingredients, and that's in my blog article. That one's really, really easy. So you just want to add this slowly to your oil mixture here. And see, that's where the benefit of having that cocoa butter melted first makes a difference and makes everything so much easier. So just want to take the time to actually get that done. And this will harden up a little bit. So we'll check it out like the next day. I'm still going to be adding the sugar. You just want to add a little bit at a time. And the cocoa butter is still a little bit warm. It smells beautiful. I can't wait to try it, and I will do a little demo. And I do have some glass jars, or 1 ounce glass jars, but you can use plastic if you'd like. I just prefer for something like this. I like it in a glass jar. And they're little jelly jars is what they're called. These little jars right here. So I had to do away with the piping bag. It just didn't work. I'm using a half a teaspoon to scoop this into the jars. So sometimes you just have to modify your procedures as you're making your product and just be ready. But it smells beautiful. I can't wait to use it, and I'm going to let it harden overnight, and then I'll do a demo the next day. So you'll see that. And I am going to weigh these to make sure they'll weigh the same, because I do want to sell these in the shop. So you want to store this scrub in an airtight container, which is a nice beautiful jar. Use it at least 2 times a week, and remember, this scrub makes a thoughtful DIY gift for the holidays or birthday or any type of gift you want to make. So how to use: just gently massage this small amount of the scrub onto your lips in a circular motion. Just rinse with warm water and pat to dry. And your lips will feel incredibly soft and nourished. It does have a strong lavender scent, so I would use probably a little bit less essential oil with this. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this recipe. So the next video to watch is how to make lavender sugar. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.